Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Professor. Today's topic is Amazon running out the totally discount on a flagship mobile like Realme U1 Oppo F9 Pro, Vivo V15 Pro, iPhone X and more. One of the most attractive deals however is on the OnePlus 60. For the first time, Amazon will be offering a price cut on the popular flagship smartphone, bringing the effective price down to Rs 33,500. The 6GB RAM and 128GB storage variant is getting a discount of Rs 3,000 while the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage variant as well as the 8GB RAM and 256GB storage variant will be available with a flat discount of up to 4,000. Customers using HDFC Bank cards get an additional Rs 1,500 offer. The offer comes shortly after the Chinese smartphone manufacturer announced a similar price cut on the OnePlus 60 in his town. The OnePlus 60 has been a hot selling product and ships with a Snapdragon 845 processor. It is offered three variants: 6GB RAM with 128, 8GB RAM with 128GB and 8GB RAM with 256GB storage. There is a 6.41-inch AMOLED display with a water drop style notch and a 90:9 aspect ratio. This is also an in-display fingerprint reader. At the back, there is a dual camera setup with a 60-megapixel primary sensor and 20-megapixel secondary sensor. Both of which have an 1.7 aperture. The camera supports OIS and EIS and 480 FPS slow motion videos. On the software front, the OnePlus 60 ships with the Oxygen OS based on Android 9 Pie. It is noteworthy that the company is preparing to launch its next flagship device, the OnePlus 7, very soon. We recently heard that this time we could see their three variants of the phone, including the regular OnePlus 7 along with the OnePlus 7 Pro and the OnePlus 7 Pro 5G. So this is a good information for OnePlus lover. So thank you guys for watching this video and keep subscribe to my IELTS Professor and like the video and keep sharing this video. Thank you very much.